The first thing you will need to do is find out how much tuition you owe. To do this, log into your Student Service Center. Click on Finances, then click on Financial Summary. Next, open a new window and go to your bank's online banking website. In this example, we are using the Royal Bank, but the process is similar for most banks. Go to the Bill Payment area. We have to add UBC as a bill payee so that you can pay your tuition in the same way that you pay other bills online. To add UBC as a payee, click on Add Payee and search for UBC. Once you see it in the list of payee options, click UBC Tuition and input your 8-digit student number as the account number. Next, return to the bill payment area in your online banking account. Enter the dollar amount of the tuition you owe and select UBC Tuition from your list of payees. Click on Submit and confirm the transaction if prompted. It will take a couple business days for the transactions to be reflected on your Student Service Center account. However, we can see when you made the original payment. You will not be penalized for this processing time. The first thing you will need to do is find out how much tuition you owe. To do this, log into your Student Service Center. Click on Finances, then click on Financial Summary. Next, select Finances again and click Pay Fees in the drop-down menu. From there, enter the dollar amount of the tuition you owe, click Continue, and then select Interac Online. Click Pay with Interac and then review your payment details before clicking Confirm. You will then be prompted to select your bank and log into your online banking account to complete the transaction. If your tuition exceeds your daily limit, you will have to contact your bank to increase your limit or split your payment into a series of smaller amounts over the next few days.